Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, see how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
I don't need your help. Wait, what do you think my problem is?
Imposter, running around running your head.
Imposter.
Professional repetition, so you're a bit of a dive.
I thought the big chick sipping on NSAXO from Mali.
Who gets round?
Say rather.
That is the reason we're stretching business.
Yóò rí ọlọ́mọ ọmọ bọ́ọ̀lì tí ó fún lọ́mọ kò jẹ́ ń mutí ó rẹ́nẹ̀ sí lálẹ́ báyìí inú ẹ̀ dùn bí ṣe anybody níkẹ́ tó ṣèwọ́ náà ló wá bu ẹni ẹsẹ̀ mo mọ ibi tó dé o sọ̀rọ̀ ẹni tó ń gá ìdí ẹ̀ mo mọ ibi tó dé o torí màá gbọ́ sílẹ̀ àní tí ìjà ọtí màá padà débẹ̀ ọtí ààrẹ ti fi ọwọ́ ara ìjà rẹ̀.
Uncle Fee smooth.
Ó smooth.
Bàjẹ́.
Courtesy of Nike. Ẹ bá bí ẹ̀dá mọtí lè tó kù.
What the hell did you do? I wanted to fix the problem like you wanted. You let him go. What happened in the plan? I mean,
That's why it's so interesting. We're watching
just stick to it and we'll get what we want.
Nike, òun mọ NSC àti mílíkì àríkè. NSC àti tíì.
Ẹyẹ fọ́ọ̀rì mò ń jẹ máa jayé kù ni.
Owó ẹ̀ pọ̀ ni.
Ẹni wọ́n ní kí n má jayé, wọ́n máa kó last ni o.
Àárọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ lọ dúró díẹ̀. Òye mi. Adarí sílé kú ẹ̀.
See the face of my imposter.
Ó ti dà nínú kọ́ọ̀pù.
Adáwọ̀ fi ṣí ẹ̀ ní.
Nike, bring that. Don't cut it. Just bring it like that.
How could anyone
See, Nike.
you and me? You know who you're
Nike, orí ẹ̀ yìí ni. Ṣé ò ní wèrè pa wọ́n? Ìwọ ń jó pa wọ́n? Nike, ò ń jó wèrè ó ló ń jó pa wọ́n fún?
Ó pọ̀ lórí Instagram.
Ayé wọn ò ní dáa. Ẹ gbà mí. Ìwọ ń jó pa wọ́n? Ada. Okay. Màá tó travel. Mo dẹ̀ máa dé ní 1 week. Kí ni?
Àpẹjọ
1 month.
Yes.
Making the
1 month ni o. Ṣábà Blue Label.
ẹni tó bá bí ìyẹ́ ẹ̀dá ìyẹ́ ẹ̀ ni o ẹni tó bá bí ìyẹ́ ẹ̀dá kó fọwọ́ kan Blue Label mi nulẹ̀ ṣíbẹ́lẹ̀ ìyá wèrè lọ́mọ Johnny Walker kọ
Top notch Johnny Walker.
ẹ káàbọ̀. Ní kìsìkìsì ìwọ ń rèdì ok tẹ̀síwèrè. Hey guys, you need to see Lucifer all over. All over again. All over again.
On the place and that opened some doors for me, so I just started rolling with it.
Eddie. Anybody did your team? Okay, no, be here. So, we chilling on a Monday. A Monday night.
Seems like they're just overreacting.
Thank you so much for watching. You want to see more? Click below and subscribe because we drop video every day.